Okay, let's talk about slicing. So what's happening when the ball's curving to the right? Likely the player's coming down steep and across, okay, and then they're leaving the face open, okay? You could also have a good swing path, but still leave the face open and it's slicing to the right. But let's talk about the player that comes over the top, down steep and across with the face open. Okay, so I just hit a shot just to show you an example. Down here we have the speed, 99 miles an hour. Club path, you see that negative club path? That means my path at impact was moving left of target. Negative is left. My face angle was 3.8. Now 3.8 face angle is relative to the target. So positive is to the right. So my face was open to the target, okay, 3.8 degrees. Face 2 path, okay? Now we're reading how far open that face is relative to the swing path. So you can see I was 9 degrees open relative to the path, and that's a lot. Okay, we're going to get a huge curve to the right, as you can see. Now look at the launch. 16 degrees, okay, that's a little high. Look at that spin, 6,500. That's a ton of spin. 188 carry, 193 total. So you can see the total is pretty close to the carry. All right, we didn't get any rollout there, largely because we had so much spin. Okay, so slice wreaks havoc in your ball flight. Let's switch to another shot. I'm going to pull up. Okay, here's a shot at the same speed. Okay, 100 miles per hour. All right, so just 1 mile per hour faster. Look at the swing path now. 6.9 positive, which means inside out. Okay, so we're swinging more out to right field. Face angle 3.9. Okay, pretty much the same. So 3.9 relative to the target was open relative to the target, but my path was more to the right relative to that face. And so now we have a draw pattern. And you can see here, face to path does the math between these two. So my face was closed relative to the path, 3 degrees. Look at my launch, 8 degrees. Launch came way down. Spin, way down. Carry, 224. Total, 266. Look at that rollout. Okay, so I just gained a ton of yards just by fixing my slice, by coming a little more shallow from the inside and closing that club face. Okay, so in this series, I'm going to share with you some tips to help you guys learn to shallow hit from the inside and close that club face, so you can stop coming down steep and across with that open face, because it's costing you so much distance. It's also costing you a lot of accuracy.